Hello all, welcome back to my channel Thinker's Bus. Today's topic is about one of the most popular self-help books, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, written by Stephen Covey. This book has sold over 25 million copies worldwide and has been translated into 40 languages. It is considered to be one of the most influential books in personal development and has helped millions of people to achieve their goals. In this video, we will discuss the 7 habits that Covey believes are the key to success. Habit 1. Be proactive. The first habit is to be proactive. This means taking responsibility for your life and your actions. Instead of being reactive and letting external factors control your life, be proactive and take charge. Covey emphasizes the importance of taking initiative and being responsible for your choices. He says that by being proactive, you can achieve your goals and improve your life. Habit 2. Begin with the end in mind. The second habit is to begin with the end in mind. This means having a clear vision of what you want to achieve in life. Covey suggests that you should create a personal mission statement that outlines your goals and values. By having a clear vision of your destination, you can make better decisions and prioritize your time and energy. Habit 3. Put first things first. The third habit is to put first things first. This means focusing on the most important things in your life and prioritizing them. Covey recommends using a time management matrix to help you identify the most important tasks and prioritize them. By putting first things first, you can be more productive and achieve your goals more efficiently. Habit 4. Think win-win. The fourth habit is to think win-win. This means seeking mutual benefit in all interactions with others. Covey suggests that you should aim for a solution that benefits everyone involved, rather than just yourself. By adopting a win-win mindset, you can build stronger relationships and create a more positive environment. Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. The fifth habit is to seek first to understand, then to be understood. This means listening to others before trying to make yourself heard. Covey believes that effective communication requires empathy and understanding. By seeking to understand others, you can build trust and create more meaningful relationships. Habit 6. Synergize. The sixth habit is to synergize. This means working together to achieve a common goal. Covey emphasizes the importance of teamwork and collaboration. By combining the strengths of different individuals, you can achieve more than you could on your own. Habit 7. Sharpen the saw. The seventh habit is to sharpen the saw. This means taking care of yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Covey believes that self-improvement is essential for personal growth and success. By taking care of yourself, you can improve your overall well-being and become more effective. Conclusion. So there you have it, the 7 habits of highly effective people. By adopting these habits, you can improve your life and achieve your goals. Remember to be proactive, begin with the end in mind, put first things first, think win-win, seek first to understand, then to be understood, synergize, and sharpen the saw. We hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.